guys, it's April. I wanted to come on, and a lot of people have been asking if you can use other cups in your Cricut mug press. And the answer is yes. Some of them are using them with their sublimation inks. Now, keep in mind when you're using sublimation inks, the Easy Press is set up for Cricut infusible inks, okay? And they work beautifully. Some are reporting that their black is turning brown. Well, there's a reason for that. The mug press heats for 6 minutes. Most sublimation inks are heated for 4 to 4.5 minutes. So there's no timer on here. You can use it, but you're going to have to be mindful. You're going to have to time it because this is set up to be quick and easy for our Cricut crafters. And it's all automated to be using the Cricut cups because cups matter as well. Cups are going to heat at different temperatures. If you have a 15-ounce sublimation cup and an 11-ounce sublimation cup, there's less to heat here. There's more to heat here. They can be different thicknesses on the inside as well. So I'm going to do a couple of designs. I have a couple of orders for this one. These are from JPP, and we're going to do those. Then I have these color change from Amazon, and I am going to do those. And I am going to do a set of Cricut 12-ouncers. And then I am going to do these from Pro World. And I'm just going to tell you right now, guys, these sublimation mugs, these are sublimation mugs. And, I mean, you can tell the difference in the box already. This one's all jammed up and crammed up. And this is the way that I pulled them out. This is exactly how I got them out of the box. And that's the way they come packaged. And then you have your Cricut packaging. Oh, I didn't cut that one. This is the one I cut. I went ahead and cut one so I could open it easily. And then this one is packaged this way with the bubble wrap on it. And I'm going to tell you right now, this one feels even heavier. I haven't weighed them, but one feels heavier. I think this one may be an 11-ounce, where this one is a 12. Not sure. The height is the same. The handles look slightly different. But this one is even a brighter white than this one is. So I'm going to press the identical designs on these cups, the Cricut cups, and the Pro World cups, and we're going to compare them and see how they come out. Now, that being said, your 15-ounce cups, these are the way these come packaged from JPP, I guess, unless you buy a case, maybe. And then these are the way they come from Amazon, but they did come in a big styrofoam holder. Now, your 15-ounce Cricuts come with an inner box on the inside of this box. So you can redo those boxes and repackage them. The others you'll have to make a box for. So keep that in mind. I am going to go and press these. I'm not going to spread it out where you guys will watch me press each and every one of these. But I will show you the end results and the comparison. Okay, I just want to show you guys while this one is starting to turn black again because it is a color change cup. I didn't have any problem with my black sublimation ink turning brown. I did an offset on that, and I didn't do an offset over here just to see what the black would do. And I'm going to show you some still photos before it starts turning, because this has already started turning dark again, you can see here. But I did some of the white ones in my professional mug press, not my Cricut press. And I did it for their recommended times, and this is what I came out with, because I was having to guess my temp and time for the cups. So I did it again, and I increased the time, and you can see a vast difference. Cricut Mug Press Professional Press. So for me, the Cricut Mug Press is winning hands down. On to the next project, and we'll show you those. Okay, guys, these just came out of the Cricut Mug Press, and I did use sublimation ink on these. And I let these go the whole time. I let Cricut time it. My black did not turn brown. So I am going to say, for those who are having that issue, maybe it's your ink profile, or I mean, I don't know. I can't get it to replicate in the mug press. So I'm gonna say that I'm using the Caesar Subli inks in my Sawgrass, so that may be a difference. But so far, I've pressed these two. I've got like 6 more pressing in my Cricut mug press. The only 2 fails that I've had so far have been the ones from my professional press. So I hope that that answers some of your questions. I'll post some photos for you at the end, and give a thumbs up, a like, and I'll catch you on the next video.